8 Best Foods for Postpartum. 1. Water. Water is essential for all bodily functions, including healing after childbirth. It can help you reduce swelling, speed up recovery time, and prevent constipation. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, aiming for more if breastfeeding. Water helps replace what you lose during the milk production, and it can help prevent bladder infections, provided that you go to the bathroom regularly. However, drinking more water than usual can reduce your blood sodium concentration. Number 2. Protein-rich foods. Protein is essential for the healing and repair of tissues. It can be found in things like beans, tofu, nuts, and a range of other common foods. Protein-rich foods help keep your energy up. Number 3. Iron-rich foods. Iron helps transport oxygen in the blood and is essential for energy production. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, iron needs increase. Good sources of iron include dark leafy greens, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Iron-rich foods power healthy energy production and offset iron reduction due to blood loss. Iron can help lower your odds of suffering cognitive issues like postpartum depression and is essential to combating anemia. But breast milk has very little iron, so even if you take more iron, your baby may still need a supplement. If you're taking iron in supplement form, you may also benefit from taking stool softeners. 4. Vegetables. Vegetables contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber all postpartum moms need. They can be enjoyed cooked or raw, making them one of the most versatile foods. Vegetables are packed with nutrients. They include lots of fiber to help you avoid constipation. 5. Soup. Soup is another easy-to-digest food that's perfect for postpartum moms. Soup can be made to accommodate your unique nutritional need. 6. Peanut butter toast. Toast is simple but satisfying, especially when topped with peanut butter. But it may not be enough protein for some people, and not all bread is equally nutritious. So stick to whole wheat bread with low added sugar content. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They make a great snack or addition to any meal. 8. Fruit. Fruit is another quick and easy snack packed with vitamins and minerals. It's also high in natural sugars, giving you a much-needed energy boost when you're tired. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value in this video, please consider giving it a like and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications.